Hi everyone, I'm Max from Igalia's Chromium team, and this is a quick update on what we've been doing in Ozone Wayland. But actually, I want to start by giving a quick shout out to Lacrosse, which was a project to make Chrome on Chrome OS more stable using Wayland. It was started in 2020 and discontinued this July, and I just wanted to give a quick thanks for the 4 years where we had the chance to work on and improve Ozone Wayland. For those of you who don't know, Wayland is a display server protocol for Linux intending to replace X11, and Ozone Wayland is Chromium's layer for native Wayland support using the Ozone platform abstraction layer. It is still experimental, and you can enable it using one of the 2 command line flags on the side. The second one is also available using chrome://flags. And even though it is still experimental, already 28% of the Linux users are using it, according to UMA histogram data. And I want to now highlight some new features we've gained. We now have IME in experimental status, so for example, for entering Korean, Japanese, or Chinese input. There are some edge cases we still have to resolve, and also we're not yet fully W3C spec compliant due to some issues on the Wayland protocol level, although a new protocol version is already in the works. Users have had success using it thus far, though, and we've gotten some quite positive community feedback, because previously we had almost no IME support on Wayland, and it was one of the main pain points of our users. And to try it out, you can use the flag shown on the slide. We also now have the option for full tap dragging UX, as on all other platforms, as long as the XDG top level drag extension is implemented by the compositor, which currently is only the case for KDE Plasma, but we hope that other compositors will follow shortly. And also the Chromium support just landed. It's not reached stable yet, but it works perfectly fine. For the cases where we don't have this protocol extension available, we're still working on fallback tap dragging. We've fixed all the issues with interactive UI tests. We're ironing out the last 2 bugs, at least those that we know of. We are already dogfooding it to G-Linux users, and there have not been many bug reports, which I take as a good sign. It's also still not enabled by default for all the rest of our Linux users, but we should be able to do that soon. And in general, we hope to be able to enable Ozone Wayland by default for all our Linux users in a very short amount of time. Thank you.